Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is June 23rd, 2021, and we were out harvesting some flowers already this morning. And we have some more in this bucket here. So what we're going to be doing in this video here is I'm going to be showing you a quick, simple bouquet that you can put together. So I have 3 different kinds of eucalyptus here. Now this one here is actually wilting pretty quick, and I actually just cut it. This is the lemon gum eucalyptus. We have a silver drop eucalyptus. And we have the baby blue eucalyptus. Now the baby blue eucalyptus trees are still very young, but you can kind of see I love the foliage of these and the texture. I have some crested celotias here. We have a big duck gold marigold here. Now I love the center of this. It's so unique looking, and it's not fully opened yet. These get pretty large when they open, but I love the way the design is on this. We have some winged everlastings here, a few stems of these. And we have a stem of status here. And then we have our straw flowers here. So we're going to get these put together and see what they come out to be. So this one here is wilted pretty bad. It's going to perk back up when it gets into the water. This is the first year that I really worked with this, so I'm still learning with this one here, but it does wilt extremely fast. Texture here. Let's grab. Let's see here, so many to choose from. Which one do I want? Oh, that's pretty there. Or pretty pink. Let's put our big marigold right here. Oh, that's pretty. Not so far. Put that right over here. Sometimes you got to turn your stems here a little bit. That one kind of turned on me and I didn't want it to. There we go. There we go. Kind of work it in there a little bit. Put some of these whites right over here. Okay, now for this side piece over here. This one here right out front here, and you can take the foliage off of these. Like if you don't want it to look like that, you can take the foliage off for sure. Piece of eucalyptus back here. There we go. And let's grab some more straw flowers here. Really make this thing sizzle here a little bit. You can see butterfly. It's enjoying the freshly harvested flowers there. Whoops. Put that back there. Okay, so the battery died on the camera outside, so we had to come inside to finish the video. You can see here I do have it done. We put some straw flowers in. And like I said, it does need water. It does need to be put in water. So any leaves that would be under the water, you want to go ahead and take those off, because that will cause rot and your flowers won't last as long. And you also want to make sure like your vase that you're using is nice and clean. You don't want it to have anything in from previous usages. And like I said, I'm going to get these all cut at the same lengths and get them put in their vase. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video on doing a floral bouquet. And like I said, you know, they need the water because it wilted. So definitely when you're cutting your lemon gum eucalyptus, you want to go ahead and get that in water as quickly as you can and work with it as fast as you can so you can get it in the water so that it doesn't wilt on you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That times I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!